Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to tell you about Outline versus Notion. Outline and Notion are both knowledge management and note-taking tools, but they serve different purposes. Outline is a self-hosted open source wiki that is designed for teams looking for a structured and collaborative documentation tool. It provides a clean and minimalistic interface with features focused on team documentation and knowledge sharing. On the other hand, Notion is an all-in-one productivity tool that combines note-taking, task management, databases, and collaboration features into one flexible platform. It is widely used by individuals, teams, and businesses for project management, documentation, and workflow organization. I have created a comparison table for you. If you need a simple, structured, and self-hosted wiki for team documentation, Outline is a great choice. It is perfect for teams who want a private and controlled knowledge base without complex project management features. However, if you need a versatile, all-in-one productivity tool that can handle note-taking, task management, and databases, then Notion is the better option. It is best for individuals and teams who want flexibility, collaboration, and organization in one platform. In short, choose Outline if you want a self-hosted, structured wiki for team documentation. Choose Notion if you need an all-in-one tool for productivity, notes, and project management. Which one do you prefer? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons. See you in the next one.